In this video, we're going to look at the 5 most used apps and programs by interior designers and in the interior design industry. In almost every studio that I've worked or spoken to, these 5 apps are almost always in use by designers at all levels and on almost every project. If you're trying to get into the interior design industry, I would say that being highly skilled in these 5 apps is a huge selling point to have on your resume. App number 1 is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is widely used in the interior design industry across all project stages, and as a designer you might spend a lot of your time on AutoCAD drawing floor plans, elevations and bespoke furniture drawings. AutoCAD is also used commonly in architecture, engineering and construction industries, so if you're working on projects with many consultants or other suppliers, you'll likely be exchanging drawings in AutoCAD's DWG file format, even if your studio uses another CAD program. If you want to get started learning AutoCAD, check out this video here. App number 2 is Microsoft Excel. You maybe know Excel quite well already. Interior designers can use Excel to manage budgets, track expenses, and generate schedules for a project. One example, you can create a spreadsheet that lists all of the finishes for a project called a finisher schedule. Finisher schedules can be used to document different finishes, their specifications, and also check they meet the project budget. Excel schedules can also be useful for keeping track of product codes, suppliers, dimensions, lead times, and requirements for the contractor. Excel is also useful for creating project timeline plans, sometimes called Gantt charts, as well as tracking project progress. Microsoft Excel is definitely an app which can help you keep organized and on track as you work on any interior design project. App number 3 is InDesign. InDesign is a document layout and design app that is usually used by many interior designers. InDesign can be used to create documents such as client presentations, proposals, and marketing materials for your work. InDesign lets designers create attractive, stylish documents with precise control over layout, images, drawings, and text. Part of the skills of using InDesign is having some graphic design understanding of how to make pages look good. I often find that looking through art books or real estate brochures can give some inspiration for how to arrange and lay out your documents on InDesign. You can get up to speed with the basic functions of InDesign in a couple of hours, and it's also quite easy to learn. App number 4 is Photoshop. Photoshop is the absolute de facto image editing software in the interior design industry. You'll most likely use it to create visualizations and presentations of design concepts. Many designers also render their plans and elevations drawn in AutoCAD in Photoshop. And Photoshop can also be used to manipulate images and create composite renderings of interior spaces. Really useful for concept design presentations. App number 5 is SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling app that is popular among interior designers for creating visualizations and presentations. SketchUp is much easier to learn and use than many other 3D modeling programs. So it's also often used by designers to quickly try out ideas for a project before modeling them in detail. I've seen SketchUp used in almost every project in every studio at some point in the design process. That's why I'd say that knowing how to use SketchUp to create models quickly and precisely is an incredibly useful tool if you're trying to work in an interior design studio. If you want to learn SketchUp, check out these videos here and consider subscribing to the channel. Let me know in the comments if there's any other apps that you think I've missed, and until next time, thanks for watching.